going on YouTube? CJ here with the Trading Collective, an education-based community of traders. Today we're going to be going over price projection, specifically with NVIDIA. The security recently split and everybody's trying to figure out, hey, where's this stock going to be in the fall? Where's it going to be moving forward from that? So we're going to be covering that kind of stuff today. If you guys haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe if you like content like this. And without further ado, we're going to roll right into it. So we're looking at the last 6 months of NVIDIA on a 2-hour regular candle chart here on TradingView. We've got a regression trend pulled up of the past 6 months or so. And if you guys aren't familiar with what the regression trend is, we actually have a video on this. You can find the link in the top left, and it'll kind of explain to you what a regression trend is and how to use it on TradingView. So we're going to be doing price projection using a regression trend, and yeah, we're going to look out to about October and see where we think NVIDIA is going to be. So you can do this either with a trend line or with a Ray tool. So we'll just grab a regular trend line here. What we're going to do is we're going to try to match the slope of the middle of the regression trend, and then we're just going to pull this out, stick it right there on the end, and this is what I call the unicorn horn. And then we'll go to October 1st and we'll drop a vertical line that is super thick. Now we've got our point of intersection, and then we'll grab another point right there. We'll grab horizontal line. Now we've got an exact point, October 1st, where we're thinking this security will be. Now you can do this for both the top of the regression trend and the bottom of the regression trend to kind of keep the channel alive, so that you can still keep your tolerances or trade in between this channel all the way up. During this trend, this is just kind of where we're thinking we'll see NVIDIA on October 1st. And yeah, we're going to roll into price targets for short-term trading and pattern recognition and things like that. This is, again, just a channel up, using a regression trend. So nothing too complicated here. If you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. You know what to do. We'll see you in the next. Take care, guys.